Hey, what's up, Vechain coin holder? So what's going on, my friends? This time Vechain price is urgently pumps up, so I can't expect this from Vechain, my friends. So they will move upward like that. But remember to, in the start of month, I make video for Vechain holders, and I told you, my friends, to buy it. Urgently buy it. I hope, my friend, in this month Vechain will completely go to the moon. But some holders ignore my message, and absolutely they are completely lost. They cannot get a profit. They miss this chance, my friend. So therefore I will notify you to please. This time you can see here 15,000 people are subscribed this channel. They are all trust on this channel, my friend. So therefore you will also need to follow abs6 channel advices, price prediction videos, and do this what I tell you. I hope, my friends, you will earn a lot of money. So Vechain price is increasing there for one big reason, my friends. The CEO of Vechain coin personally tweet now, my friends, in September to we were going to collaborate with a lot of companies. So therefore I know this, and absolutely I just be active for Vechain to when they were starting moving upward, and I urgently buy it. So therefore just in only you can see, my friend, in September 27, you can see, so in September 28 they were starting pumping up. So I urgently holder are starting selling, but I just buy it, as you can see here. So you can see here the chaining. Now just and only, my friend, you will guess now to how many my friends dollar I earn now, how many Vechain, my friends. So therefore try to understand. You will also need, my friends, to this time buy it, because in this time if we check out, my friends, the Vechain latest update to what's going on. So in last 12 hour 2.74% price is increased. So I think it's also not a small jump. Absolutely, it's very huge. Kindly buy it. I hope if you sell it at the end of month, they will give you also very good profit. So don't miss this chance. Please take a risk and get 100% profit. See you next time, Vechain coin holders. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe channel.